Welcome guys to my channel once again. It's your host OTC right here. So in today's video we'll be discussing about GBP USD for the upcoming trading week, that is from 12 to 16 July. So let's begin. Alright guys, as you can see, we are in now weekly time frame. So what do we see here? We're watching now, price is near its supply zone. So let's just mark this as supply. Alright, this not much clear. Now moving to daily. What I see is a market clearly from May starting to push to the downside, and then currently now it's a big push. This is a big bullish candle. So now moving to our 4-hour time frame. So what do I see? I can clearly see a support, that is demand from here, which gave a big clean push to the upside. So what I'm seeing from here is market bullish. Let's see if market starting to retrace. So up to which level will it retrace? So price, let's have this area. Alright, so the market price will be coming to retrace. Either market coming to retrace and then moving to the upside. So my bias in GU is for going for long side. Okay, so let's see all the time frames. I can see market is clearly in a bullish form. As you can see, double top, double bottom, then price starting to go above this level. Alright, so my bias in GU is for the long side, so which is I can clearly see. So what will be my target expectancy, which will be around this zone. So my bias is going for the long. Alright, so if you guys like today's analysis for the upcoming week, make sure guys you like and subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any update about my upcoming videos in the future. Alright, and I hope you guys will be having a banger upcoming week, and peace out.